Hey guys, it's me, ya boy, and Napalm Nick. So yeah, this is a tutorial for Art Sci 2. This is for you guys and also for me, so I can review my works. So yeah, ya boy. So layer versus line work. So this is layer right here. The only thing difference is you can't you can bend the lines. I'll show you here. In line work, when you press control, you have these lines. You can control them any way you want. You can even delete. So the controls are here in edit. Here, these are the shortcuts. Okay, that's covered. Shortcut keys. Yeah, shortcut keys. It's important to use shortcut keys always. You can set it here in help shortcut keys, or you can double click on your tools and here change it here, like my pencil is N. Yeah, covered. So brushes, I have custom brushes. This is for the hair. The settings I got is actually from DeviantArt. Yeah, you can just Google it. You'll find lots of settings for the brush. Also the blending. It's actually just watercolor, but with blending to 100. See? So yeah, color. Color. So I have a example here. So you want the color to be as realistic as possible. So also I'm gonna teach you how to paint fast. Use the magic wand, but you'll see there's gaps. So you need to selection and dilate here. There's actually a shortcut for this in shortcut keys. It's I use it for dilate and erode 4 and 5. So actually here I'm using Linework. See, it's Linework. It's easier. It's faster. Even if you can save a lot of time. So you just sketch, then Linework. So yeah, here and dilate. See, and you find your base color there. Now the layers is supposed to be down below the line work. New layer, then clip it so you won't color outside, only inside the layer, your previous layer. Now, what you should not do is use dark color that is not natural. Example here, you only use the dark Only darken it. It doesn't look natural, you see. It looks uh, plain, pale, and I don't know what to call it. Yeah, it doesn't matter. So what you do is you do this. Oh, do this. Then you you switch the contrast and yeah, I mean the hue. Change the hue. Then make it darker. See, change it more compared to this. See, it looks dead and unrealistic. Mm, so yeah, reference. Always use reference when drawing. Always use reference. If you're a beginner, always use, because the anatomy will be always off. So yeah, that's all for today. I might do a part two. Yeah. See ya, boys and girls.